This information is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to substitute for professional medical advice and should not be interpreted to contain treatment recommendations. This module will cover how to use the Brava Ostomy support belt, which is designed to support the area around your stoma. For proper support, you may need to cut a hole in the support belt approximately the size of the area where your pouch attaches to the barrier, called the weld size or stoma pouch ring. You can also wear the support belt without cutting a hole. Follow these steps if you want your pouch to be on the outside of the support belt. This may work best for those with a hernia. Before you begin, gather all the supplies needed, including Brava Ostomy support belt, pouching system, cutting template, scissors, and a marking pen. It is recommended that you lie down, then wrap the belt around you, placing the cutting panel over your stoma site. Next, locate the middle of the stoma site and mark that spot on the cutting panel with an X. This is where the hole for the pouch will be made. You can now remove the belt and set it aside. For a two-piece pouching system, draw a circle on the cutting template the same size as the stoma pouch ring. For a one-piece pouching system, fold the left and right sides of the pouch in towards the center so you can see where the pouch and the barrier are welded together. Measure the distance between these 2 points. Now, do the same at the top and bottom. Mark this on your cutting template. Lay the belt on a flat surface with the cutting panel facing up. Remove the paper backing from the cutting template. Place the cutting template on the belt, matching up the X on the cutting panel with the X on the template. Make sure that the template is adhered to the panel so it does not move during the cutting process. Start by cutting a hole close to the center, and then cut along the drawn circle approximately 1/4 of an inch inside the trace circle, as the hole will stretch when the belt is placed around the body. Remove the cutting template. The Brava Ostomy support belt is now ready for use. We will now show you how to use the Brava Ostomy support belt. Apply the belt while lying down for optimal support. Position the panel over the stoma site. Put one hand in the pocket closure and wrap the belt around your body. This can also be adjusted afterwards. Make sure the panel is located over your stoma site. Also ensure that the belt is not loose or folded. Open and apply again if necessary. Now, gently pull the pouch through the hole. The Brava Ostomy support belt is now in place. You can also wear the Brava Ostomy support belt over the pouch. The support belt can be machine washed in warm water and tumble dry on low heat. Thank you for taking the time to view this module. For additional ostomy education, visit us at coloplast.us.